In this video, we'll be telling about how to send contacts in WhatsApp. What some people used to do is, if they want to send anyone's number in WhatsApp, they will go to their contacts and copy that number and they will type that number in WhatsApp. Actually, in WhatsApp, you don't need to do it like that. You can directly send that contact from WhatsApp itself. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about that. To send contacts in WhatsApp, what you need to do is, first take your smartphone and open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the chat to which you want to send contact. For example, I am selecting this chat. After selecting that chat, down here you can see plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that plus button, down here you can see contact option. Click on contact. When you are clicking on contact, you can see contact saved in your smartphone. After that, what you need to do is, from here, select the contact which you want to send. For example, I am selecting this contact. When you are selecting that contact, above you can see that contact. If you want to select more than one contact, you can do that also. For example, I have selected 2 contacts. After selecting that contacts, down here you can see arrow mark. Click on this arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Here down you can see send button. Click on send button. When you are clicking on that send button, that contacts will be sent. Now if you are the receiver of this message, here you can see view all option. Click on this view all. If you want to save this contact, just click on this add button and you can add to existing contact or new contact. If you want to save it as new contact, just click on new and you can save it from here. So this way you can easily send contacts in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.